ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम् ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a warm welcome. In our previous session, we saw, though the celestial beings were a little shocked, were a little grieved because of the love between, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji was so intense. It was very difficult for them to understand what is going to happen further. However, we saw the guru of the celestial being, Brihaspatiji, when he probably gave one of them one clap and said, "What do you think of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji?" And then they came back to their senses and they showered flowers. It was important again for that flowers to come and touch Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. because they were almost in bhava samadhi. It was for a long time everyone were quiet. Nobody we saw. There is nobody who wanted to speak. No sound. It was absolutely silent. Now, to bring them out of that particular bhava samadhi, these flowers were necessary, and then from that they came out. And then we also find that everyone's love was so deep, immeasurable. The depth can never be known. That is the kind of love everybody had towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji. And in this particular Sannivesha, we find everybody came to know the true love of Bharata towards Bhagavan and Bhagavan towards Bharata. And not only that, in this prasanga we find the love of Bharata towards Lakshmana. Lakshmana's love towards Bharata Shatrughna was so intense. And because of which they all came to know their notions about Bharata was falsified in this prasanga. And we also see the transformation of Nishadaraja. Nishadaraja also had a wrong opinion about Bharata. And Nishadaraja's complete transformation, and in fact his love towards Bharata grew multifold. That also we saw. And in the process we find the entire people who were there, everybody's love were immeasurable towards the entire parivara. And then, having said that, now Guru Vasishta, mothers, the entire praja, all of them are anxious and they are all waiting to see Ramchandraji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji. And in this bhava samadhi, nobody is thinking of anything. Then Nishad Raja slowly brought himself. Tehi avasarake vatu dhiraju dhari. We saw in the 242nd Chaupai yesterday. Jori pani binamasa pranamukari. With folded hands, he requested Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji. He himself had to forcibly come out of that bhava samadhi, and then he requested Nath Satha Muni Nath Ke Matu Sakala Puralog. Very interestingly, Muninatha is said first and then mothers are said. This is again very important factor to indicate that for a jiva to reach Bhagavan, a guru is the most important factor. All the jiva who are all standing out waiting on the other side are waiting to see Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, and therefore guru is important to reach Bhagavan, to indicate probably Satha Muninatha ke. One is that. Second thing, probably Sa Natha, Satha, Muninatha. For rhyme also it can be, but primary reason is to indicate how a guru and guru tattva is very important for a jiva to reach Bhagavan. Matu Sakala Puraloga ke. Mata, all the three matas, then Sakala Puraloga. In fact, here we may say, not just the three matas, as we had indicated earlier also. Dasharatha had many wives, but these three found prominence because of their children. Alright. Sevaka Senapa Sachiva Sabha Aye Bikala Biyoga. All of them have come Bikala Biyoga with tremendous amount of grief, struck because of what? Viyoga, separation from you. Not only mothers, everybody, even Sevaka, servants, Senapa, generals, Sachiva, ministers, Sabha, all of them are waiting for you. Continuing in the 243rd verse. Sila Sindhu Sunigura Agavanu Siya Sami Parakhe Ripudavanu चले सबेग राम तेहि काला, धीर धर्म धुर दीन दयाला, गुरहि देखि सानुज अनुरागे, दंड प्रणाम करन प्रभु लागे, मुनि बरदाई लिए उरलाई, प्रेम उमगि भेटे दो भाई, प्रेम पुलखि केवट कहि नामु, कीन्ह दूरि ते दंड प्रणामु, राम सखा ऋषि बर बस भेटा, जनु महि लुठत सनेह समेटा, रघुपति भगति सुमंगल मूला, नभ सराहि सुर बरि सहि फूला, एहि समनि पट नीच को नाही, बड़ बसिष्ठ सम को जग माही, जेहि लखि लखनहु ते अधिक, मिले मुदित मुनि राऊ, सो सीतापति भजन को, प्रगट प्रताप प्रभाव, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सील सिंधु सुनि गुर आगवनु, सिय समीप राखे रिपुदवनु। भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी सील सिंधु सुनि गुर आगवनु, listening to the fact that Guru has come, siya sameepa rakhe ripudavanu. Look at that. The moment he heard that all his mothers and Guru, all of them have come, even at that emotional outburst, that emotional moment, he never forgot Sita ji. The safety of Sita ji. Siya sameepa rakhe ripudavanu. He said, hey Shatrughna, you please stay along with your Bhabhi. Your Bhabhi will be waiting here, you stay here. For him it is what Bhabhi, it is mother only, isn't it? You stay by her side for safety. Shatrughna was extremely happy. Why? He will be alone with his mother Sita ji. And what more blessings can be there for him? So he was extremely happy. And then, very interesting, why Bharata was not asked, why Shatrughna was asked to stay. See, according to the present condition, Dasharatha ji had to make Bharata as the king. Rama was sent. Rama, Sita, Lakshmana left. Bharata was supposed to be the king. How can a king be kept as a security guard? You know, these are all very small things which we have to see. You know, they say, reading between the lines. So, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, Dharma Maryada he never left. He kept Bharata along with him and told Shatrughna, you stay with Sita ji. Chale sabe garam tehi kala, dhira dhara madhura dina dayala. The champion of dharma, Dina Dayala, the one who is always available for everybody. Chale Savega, he immediately, without wasting a minute, putting up quick steps and longer steps probably, he ran towards all of them. Gurahi dekhi sanuja anurage, danda pranama karana prabhulage. On seeing the Guru, Sri Vashishta, sage Vashishta, both brothers, Ramchandra and Lakshman ji, Dirga Dandavat Pranam, he just fell at his feet. In fact, Guru is there. Here itself, both of them fell at his feet. But at the same time, Danda Pranama Karana Prabhu Lage. At that time, Munivara Dai Liye Uralai. Guru Vashishta ji, he ran before with more speed and held them with their shoulders and lifted them, and Uralai, he embraced them. In fact, Vashishta Muni, he is a Sarvajna, isn't it? Trikaladarshi. He knows who Ramchandraji is. Like how Valmiki knew how Ramchandraji is, even Vashishtaji knew who Rama is. Therefore, he did not allow him to fall completely. Before he could put his head down, he picked him up and then embraced him. Prema umagi bhete dovubai. Both of them with prema umaga, with overflowing, overwhelming love, they met the Guru. प्रेम पुलकी केवट कही नामु कीन्हि दूरिते दंड प्रणामु. Mentioning his name, कीन्हि दूरते दंड प्रणामु, they spoke about Nishada. He is Nishada Raja who has been helping us. All that was an introduction they might have given. And when Nishad Raja's name was told, Nishad Raja, because he considers himself as a Neecha Kula. Therefore, from a distance he did Namaskara, he did not go near. But look at the greatness. Rama Sakha Rishi Barabasa Betha. Now see, when he came to know that Nishad Raja is the Sakha, is a friend of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Look at that. Janumahi luthat saneha samita. This is the glory of knowledge. This is the glory of our sanskaras. This is the glory of that, non-identification with Sharira as such, but the one who respects the Jivatva in him. Even Raghupati Bhagati Sumangala Mula Nabhasarahi Sura Barisa Hipula. When the Guru came to know about Nishad Raja, even he gathered, he took him from the ground and he hugged him. These are all of them are, love incarnate. They are personification of pure love. A love that does not expect anything, including love. The one which only flows like the river, which never asks anything back. It just flows. And hectares of land are irrigated en route. Like that, the love is flowing in everybody's heart. Everybody becomes love incarnate. And devotion to Rama is the basic cause. And that is absolute blessings. That love towards Rama, bhakti towards Rama, devotion towards Bhagavan is the greatest blessing. What else can become a blessing? Rest are all, vyavaharika. But that pure love towards Bhagavan is the greatest blessing. Ehi samanipata neecha ko nahi. He says, there is nothing called, bad man or something. There is nothing like that. In fact, he is the greatest bhakta. Badabaseshtha samako jagamahi. And who is as great as Vasishtha? From the common angle, he is a Neecha Kula. Vasishtha is greatest guru. But in front of Rama, everybody are one and the same. To indicate that Vasishtha ji lifted Kevata, that is the Nishad Raja here, and then embraced him. Everybody were completely gasping in that experience. Jehi lakhi lakhanahu te adhika mile mudita munirao. On seeing the king of sages, greatest Munirao, on seeing him, Lakshmana, When he saw the greatest Muni, he prostrated, and Muni Rao also embraced Lakshmana. So Sitapati bhajan ko pragata pratap prabhavu. And Sitapati, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, his glory is such that everybody who comes into contact with Ramchandra ji, everybody becomes great at his feet. And Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, he makes everybody great. That is a glory. He never says, okay. Like the politicians, irrational politicians are all, they keep on, okay. No, the glory of Rama is he treats everybody equally. Even Pashu, Pakshi, Prani, he treats them equally. Therefore, the love, the pure love flows all over, through everybody, towards everybody. Continuing, आरथ लोग राम सबु जाना, करुणा कर सुजान भगवाना, जो जेहि भाय रहा अभिलाषी, तेहि तेहि कै तसि तसि रुख राखी, सानुज मिली पल महु सब काहू, कीन्ह दूरि दुख दारुन दाहू, यहाँ बड़ी बात राम कै नाही, जिमि घट कोटि एकर बिछाही, मिली केवट ही उमगी अनुरागा, पुरजन सखल सराहहि बागा, देखी राम दुखित महतारी, जनु सुबेली अवली ममारी, प्रथम राम भेटी कैकेयी, सरल सुभाय भगति मति भेई, पग परिकीन्ह प्रबोधु बहोरी, काल कर्म विधि सिर धरि खोरी, भेटी रघुबर मातु सब, करि प्रबोधु परितोषु, अम्ब ईस आदीन जगु, काहु न देय दोषु, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। आरत लोग राम सबु जाना, करुणा कर सुजान भगवाना। करुणा कर भगवान, भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी सबु जाना, ही इज ऑल वाइज, ऑल नोइंग। भगवान found all the people there were so much restless to see him, and they were in distress, they were in grief. That has still not gone, because there is always a doubt whether will Ram come back to Ayodhya. That thought will always be there at the bottom of the heart. So they were distressed and they were anxious to see him. They were restless. They were, and now please note, they are not like small people and then one group of people standing and they can see thousands of people. So if everybody starts running towards Ramchandra, stampede will happen. So look at the greatness of Bhagavan. जो जेहि भाय रहा भिलाषी, तेहि तेहि कै तसि तसि रुख राखी. Bhagavan, in the Gita it is said, ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते तांस तथैव भजाम्यहम. That is why we need to take care while we are praying to Bhagavan. Our heart must be pure. Our heart must be simple. Our heart must be genuine. then Bhagavan will be there. It is there where Bhagavan takes rest. The people of Ayodhya who were there were so in love with Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra, so much in devotion towards him. Jo Jehi Bhaya, the way each one of them related themselves to Bhagavan Ji, Raha Abhilashi, their desire to see him, to connect with him, to relate with him, Tehi Tehi Kai Tasi Tasi Rukha Rakhi. In that very way, Bhagavan gave darshan in their heart, in their mind, in the way they wanted Ramchandra Ji at the time, at that very moment, together. That was the power of Ramchandra Ji, isn't it? We also see in Bhagavatam, Krishna, he played with every gopika, and every gopika felt Krishna is with her only. Is it not? Each one never felt that you have Krishna, I am not having Krishna. No. For every gopika there was one Krishna. Similarly here, for every bhakta, Bhagavan was there in their own heart. He gave that darshan in their heart, in their mind. Tehi tehi kahe tasi tasi rukharag. Sanuj mili पलमहु सब काहू कीन्ह दूरी दुख दारुन दाहू. And he met his younger brother Shatrughna also. कीन्ह दूरी दुख दारुन राहू. And all the distress, pain, anxiousness, terrible agony with which all of them were undergoing, within a fraction of a moment, all were dispelled by the greatness of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji. Yah badi baat Ram kai nahi, jimi ghat koti ekar bhichahi. And for Ramchandra Ji, yah badi baat Ram kai nahi. It is not a big thing for Ramchandra Ji, because jimi ghat koti ekar bhichahi. You know, a very beautiful example is given. Let us suppose hundreds of bucket. Here he has given koti, millions of jars, he says. But let us say 100 for our understanding. Hundreds of bucket filled with water is kept. And there is Surya Bhagavan at the top. Will Surya Bhagavan reflect one after the other and then go there, then go there, then go there? No. At a time, all the buckets of water will reflect the same Surya with its same, brilliance. Is it not? Similarly, Bhagavan gave his darshan to everybody in their heart. These days, what is that called, that word? Clone. People clone species. When human being can make copies, clones of people, Bhagavan, will he not make himself available for his devotees? So wonderful. Mili kevatahi umagi anuraga purajana sakala sarahi bhaga. And the citizens also met Nishad Raja, the chief. And they were so happy for Nishad Raja. Why? He has brought them. He is the friend of Bhagavan. He has supported and helped Bhagavan and Lakshmanji also. Therefore, all of them had lot of appreciation, lot of love, lot of care for Nishad Raja. And they praised him. They praised him a lot. Nishad Raja, who was considering himself as a Nicha Kula, now rose in high esteem in everybody's heart. What an amazing drishya. Dekhi Ram Dukhita Mahatari Janu Subeli Avalihi Mamari. Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji found all his mothers in great grief. They were, sorrow struck. And It was like, a row of tender creepers which was smitten by the frost. And all of them were like that, dull and, strengthless. Prathama Ramu Bheti Kaikeyi. This is the wonderful, most wonderful thing which Ramchandraji did. Kaikeyi was the cause for him to go to the forest. But look at Ramchandraji's love towards that mother. He went straight, first offered his namaskarams to Kaikeyi. He went and fell at the feet of Kaikeyi. Sarala Subhaya Bhagati Mati Bheyi. His pure heart and his simple devotion, melted her heart. She already has been regretting for what she has done. She has already, very soon she found out that what she did was was a blunder. And she is regretting. You remember, we spoke that she never spoke at all. After that, she has not spoken at all. Even till here, she has not spoken. She was only crying 24/7. One of the commentators say, even she also did not sleep properly. May not be like Lakshmana. Maybe occasionally she must have slept. But she was also grief-stricken. And this act of Ramchandraji going and falling at the feet of Kaikeyi, Prathama. Look at it. Prathama Rama Bheti Kaikeyi. First he went to Kaikeyi only. All the three were standing together, but he went to Kaikeyi, which released her tension, which released her sorrow. It softened her heart. Sarala Subhaya. Pag parikina prabodhu bahori kala karama bidhi siradhari khori. He fell at her feet. He made her to relax. And he told her, Kala karama bidhi. Hey Mata, it is not it is Kala karma, it is vidhi, providence. It is fate. You call it by whatever name, destiny. Kala karama vidhi siradhari khori. This vidhi has brought such things to everybody. Each one have their own share of, providence. Similarly, you have nothing to be blamed. You are nothing to be blamed in the wheel of time, Kala Chakra. And then, Bheti Raghubar Matu Sabha Kari Prabodhu Paritoshu. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji thereafter met all his mothers. Now please note, here it is not Kaushalya ji or Sumitra ji. He met, remember a few minutes before I said, Dasharath ji had many wives. So he went and met all the other wives also. Kari Prabodhu Paritoshu, consoled them, made them relax, and offered namaskarams to them, spoke to them nicely. Amba Isa Adhina Jagu Kahuna Doiya Dhoshu. Hey mother, everything is controlled by the will of God. Therefore, Kahuna Doiya Dhoshu, why do you take it on your head? Why are you blaming yourself? Or why are you blaming Kaikeyi also? Nobody is to be blamed. Continuing, Guratiya pada bande duhu bhai sahita be pratiya je sanga ai Ganga Gauri sama sabasana mani dehi asi samudita mridubani gahi pada lage sumitra anka Janu bheti sampati atiranka Puni janani charanani do bhrata Pare pema vyakula sabagata Ati anuraga amba uralaye Nayana saneha salila anavaye तेहि अवसर कर हर्ष विषादु, किमि कबि कहें मूक जिमि स्वादु। मिली जननी साजुन रघुराऊ, गुरसन कहेउ कि धारिय पाऊ। पुरजन पाई मुनीस नियोगु, जल थल तकी तकी उतरे उलोगु। महिसुर मंत्री मातु गुर, गने लोग लिए साथ। पावन आश्रम गवनु किय, भरत लखन रघुनाथ सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरु नाथ महाराज की जय। गुरतिय पद बंदे दुहु भाई। Duhu Bhai, both the brothers Ramchandra and Lakshman ji, they went and prostrated to Gurutiya. Gurutiya, wife of sage Vashishta ji, Mata, Arundhati Mata. They went and prostrated. Sahita be pratiyaje sanga ai. Along with them came lot of Brahmanas and their wives also who had accompanied her. They prostrated to all of them. Ganga Gauri Sama Sabasan Mani, Dehi Asi Samudita Mridubani. Giving all honor to everybody, giving them all respects when they did Namaskara, and which is due to even holy Ganga, Gauri, all of them are also there along with them. Dehi asi samudita bridubani. While all the ladies, with wholeheartedness, with pure heart and pure mind, all of them blessed, both of them. Gahi padag lage Sumitra anka. Then came Sumitra ji. And they fell at the feet of Sumitra ji, and it was a very interesting Anka, Sumitra Anka. After they fell at the feet of Sumitra ji, both of them, they kept their head on the lap of Sumitra ji. Such a beautiful drishya. And Janu bheti sampati atiranka. It was like, the example which has been given earlier also, a pauper meeting a huge treasure. That was a feeling, how he would feel, that much of feeling or even more than that they felt being with Sumitra ji. Puni janani charanani dovu bhrata, pare pema vyakula sabagata. And now both the brothers after that came to Kaushalya ji, and again fell at the feet of Mata Kaushalya, who drove both of them together and clasped them to her heart. She embraced both of them. Many people wonder, why Kaushalya at the end? In fact, she is the eldest of all. Therefore, all of them should have first come to Kaushalya. Why did they come at the end? When we do Namaskaram to everybody, then you have to keep going, and then, very short period of time you can have with everybody. But they wanted longer period to be with Kaushalya. Therefore, they finished everybody's, in our language, quota. Otherwise, they finished doing Namaskaram to everybody and then came to Mata Kaushalya so that they can be with her for a longer period of time. Pare prema vyakula sabagata. And both Mata Kaushalya ji and both the brothers Ramchandra ji, Lakshman ji were overwhelmed with so much of love, so much of devotion towards Mata. Ati anuraga amba uralaye. With so much of love, Amba, Mata, uralaye. She embraced both of them, Ramchandra and Lakshmanji. Nayana saneha salila anavaye. The amount of tears which came out from her eyes actually did Abhishekam to Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. That much of love pouring. Love is such a beautiful emotion. I am sure all of you also would have, felt it. And the tears that came out from Kaushalyaji's eyes, they almost Abhishekam to Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji. Tehi avasar kar harsh bishadu, kimi kabi kahai muka jimi swadu. Tehi avasara, in that moment, harsh bishadu, in that extreme joy, kimi kabi kahai. What can any poet speak? It is like Muka Jimi Swadu, Muka, the one who cannot speak, when he tasted a beautiful sweet or whatever, how can he express it in words? He is, it is inexplicable. That was the condition. Mili janani sad nuja raghuravu. After that, meeting their mother, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, Gurasana kahevu ki dhari apavu. They went and told Guru Vasishtaji to kindly come to their ashram. Maybe not the entire retinue. He called the Guru and the mothers. Purajana pai muni saniyogu. And on receiving the sage's command, what did Vasishtaji said? You all be here. We will go on the other side of the river. Go to his ashram. Until then, all of you be here. Jala thala taki utare vulogu. And then he also said, wherever you find time, camp yourself. Be comfortable. We will come back. And then people also, they found their own comfortable place and they camped themselves, especially where there is water. Near Jalathala, near the water body, they rested themselves. Mahisura mantri matugura gane lo galiye saath. Mahisura, Brahmanas. Mantri, ministers. Matu, all the queen mothers. And then Gura, preceptor. Gane loga, and very important, chosen people. Very important people of Ayodhya who also had accompanied all of them. Pavana ashrama gavanu kiya Bharata Lakhana Raghunatha. Bharata, Lakshmana and Raghunatha. And all of them proceeded towards Ramashrama. It was a beautiful experience. Now, the camera turns to the Ramashrama, where so many important things will happen, which we will see in our next series. With this, Rama Bharata Milapa Prasanga concludes. All right. Thank you so much for being with me all through this wonderful journey. I am so blessed. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai, Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai. Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Ram.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. Jaya Jaya Ram.